Okay, so after you've downloaded the Arduino IDE software, you are most likely going to have to import the Arduino type that we're going to be using. In our cases, we're using the Arduino um, Rev 4 Uno, the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi, and by default, I don't think we have the software for that. So if you look at your interface here, you're going to see that probably Arduino Uno is selected already or something else, but it doesn't really matter. We're going to do the down arrow here, and we're going to select another board and port. And we have to do a search for this. So our search is going to be R4, and you'll see that the Uno R4 Wi-Fi shows up here. So we're going to select it. Maybe. To move myself. Okay, so we've selected it. Oh, my goodness. R4, and then we're going to hit OK. So it's going to give you a message here saying the Arduino R4 board's core has not been installed. Do you want to do it? We're going to. So we're going to install manually, or we can just hit yes, and it's going to download it. This takes a little bit of time, shouldn't take too long. But once you actually download this, you will now be able to see the Arduino R4 as an option to select. Okay, so here we go. I think we're all set at this point. You can see that Arduino R4 Wi-Fi is there. And now if I were to plug in my board, which of course I don't have a cable for, so give me 1 second. Okay, so you'll see that now, because the thing you also have to do, obviously, under Tools, we do have Arduino R4 selected here, but we're not going to see anything on our port yet until I actually plug the Arduino into my laptop, which I'm doing right now. So we should see, allow accessory to connect. I'm going to allow it. And if I go to Tools, Port, now you're going to see an option for Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi. Luckily, it gives that to us in the parentheses. We can ignore all this, but this basically is just letting us know it's a Mac. Okay, so now we have, under Tools, we have Arduino R4 Wi-Fi selected and our port, and we should be able to upload a sketch. So if we actually opened up a sketch and said File, Examples, went to Basics, let's just go to Blink real fast. You should be able to see it. I'm just going to open it up a little bit more, and then I'm also going to open up the console by choosing the serial monitor. If we were to upload this right now, you will see it start giving some information. Now it's compiling, and it should give us some upload data here in a second. Yep, here it goes. So it is up. You can't see the percentages, but that's what it's basically doing. And now we've uploaded it, and you wouldn't be able to see this on my Arduino, but I can lift it up. You'll see that it is blinking over here. That's the blink program. So you should be all set. That is how you determine you have some communication with your Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi and your Mac computer.